Hey everybody, welcome to my channel. My name is Deb, but people call me Cobs, and I am from Cobwebs and Bristles. In this video, I made a box from a cell phone box. I decorated it in like a bohemian style. I do have a secret weapon, and is my palette knife. It gives a really cool texture. I used Farm Fresh, Kissing Booth, Fire Starter. I love Debbie's Design Diary DIY paints because it's chalk and clay based. It doesn't have any chemicals and it cleans up nice with soap and water, and it reactivates with water. I also use my water mister sprayer. This is really handy when painting. I'll show you in the video. I hope you enjoy.
I started out with Old 57 and put 2 coats on, and now I'm using the fire starter. I'm painting stripes. The next color I'm using is Kissing Booth, and then I will be dipping my brush in water and blending. I also have a spray misting bottle to spray the water, and I spray that on my box as well. Oh, here I'm using my palette knife. I really like to use it. It gives a really cool texture to my projects. I'm using Debbie's Design Diary Big Top. It's a clear coat sealer. I finally got the Bohemia stamp set from IOD, and boy do I love it. I love that they are clear and they're bendy. You can see your project a little bit underneath, and you can see right here I put my hand in the middle and I lift up each side so I can check to see how well that I stamped and if I need to press it down anywhere that I missed. These stamps are so forgiving. It stuck to my finger there for a second and I just repositioned it. When you seal with Big Top first, you can fix your mistakes easier. So after my last video, I had a few people say that I should do ASMR videos. What do you think? If you don't know what ASMR videos are, I suggest that you type in YouTube the letters ASMR.
Is a weather nerd like I am, but we got 2 feet of snow on December 25th, and I posted some videos and some pictures on my Instagram and my Facebook. You can find me at Cobwebs and Bristles.
I hope you enjoyed my video. If you could like, share, and subscribe, I would appreciate it. Thank you.